following an operation carried out by our operatives of Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps in collaboration with Tantita Security Services on the 22nd May 2025 during a coordinated anti-vandalism patrol along Ojekili River in Okreka local government area of Rivers State. 6 Ghana must go bags containing substances suspected to be illicit drugs along with packaging materials used in drug trafficking. We are recovered from an abandoned boat. The occupant of the boat fled on sighting our operatives. These items have since been secured at our state command headquarters, and we have done our preliminary investigations and waited if anybody could come forward to claim the product, but none showed up. Hence, we decided to formally hand over to the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for further investigation, forensic analysis, and appropriate legal procedure in line with their statutory mandate. This handover demonstrates the value of interagency cooperation and our shared resolve to rid our community of vandalism, kidnapping, drug crimes, and insecurity. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps remains committed to working hand in hand with National Drug Law Enforcement Agency and all relevant agencies to safeguard our critical national assets and infrastructure, disrupt criminal networks, and uphold the rule of law. We commend the professionalism of our officers, Tantita personnel, and I thank the National Drug Law Enforcement officers for their partnership and dedication to duty. Let me assure you that our effort to protect critical national assets and infrastructure, this command will continue to maintain close collaboration in your pursuit against drug abuse in Rivers State and a drug-free nation.
Yes. So each one, every egg has its own reagent we use to test it so that it will be follow. After the B1, the second one is reagent B2.
This will come down. And even if
But this is like all of them, I did the same thing.
no, this one is different. All those ones are the same.
They are the same. So people see they do this kind of stuff. They say they are police and they are afraid of carrying it. So it's like to kill.
Okay, you are in the river swim.
Is a different country?
No, it's the same thing.
Okay,
It's the same.
invariably it's positive cannabis. Yes. Yes. Non-official. This one is ordinary, well, this one is loud.
Okay, this is a Canadian loud.
Yes.
Okay.
More expensive.
More expensive.
Than this one.
Okay.
There is a why this one is more higher than that one. Because this one has some chemicals in it. Has some chemicals in this one, so that you can exactly type of thing the one that smoke. So that's what it's the same. They are all called cannabis. It's cannabis. Things they are doing.
So this thing that what you made them around the water, are they trying to export it, or that they're trying to move into a local area?
No, what they do is
Well, the street value cannot be rightly estimated now until after the weight of the exhibit. We cannot just estimate how much it costs, but we know that there are a lot of money here when you talk of the street value of the exhibit. Here we can see these are cannabis sativa. Then we have this this other loud. Is it here? Yes. These ones are known as Canadian loud. These are Canadian loud. The street value of this one is higher than that of ordinary cannabis sativa. So even when people are dealing in it, you discover that the packaging of this one is different from the ordinary cannabis sativa. And here also we have some psychotropic substances ranging from tramadol capsule and also tramadol tablets. Then we have Swinol also, but all of them are called psychotropic substance.
So what is going to happen after now? What are you going to do?
Now, after now, we are going to take them to our office, weigh them, and know the weight of the exhibit. From there, we'll keep them in our custody until it is time for public destruction. Let me be particular about Rivers State. You will discover that every looks and cranny within Rivers State, you discover a lot of drugs activities going on. Those who are smoking, those who are dealing. We keep chasing them every now and then, arresting and prosecuting them. But the reverse is always the case. And that is why I've always said that there is nobody that can separate crime from drug from crime. It's not possible, because most of these bad guys, this is what they take before they commit crime. So we are having this problem particularly when we go out for them. You discover the trend they are using now is that they don't keep much with them. They keep the little one they can sell within a particular time and hide the bigger one somewhere. So even if you arrest them, you can only recover very few. You can only recover very few, and that is where we are also having challenges, but we keep chasing them on a daily basis. There are places we strike, and if you leave that premises within 10-20 minutes, they are back there again. So tell me where we start from. We can only do the one we'll be able to do and leave the rest. Well, we are appreciating the fact that the synergy is ongoing. We appreciate their efforts. The civil defense has been of a great assistance to the agency, and I want them to also keep it up. We appreciate this job they just did, and we'll continue to synergize with them too. In any way we feel we can be able to do, we'll do that.